Bank of America sounded the alarm. A sudden, violent stock market crash is looming, and it could wipe out all your 2024 gains in the blink of an eye. Get ready to lose everything. Look at these charts. Investors are pouring cash into the market like there's no tomorrow, pushing stocks to terrifying new heights. But history warns us, every giant bubble eventually pops, and this one looks just like 1929. Look at those screens. Red, bleeding, months of steady market growth completely wiped out in mere days. It is a total bloodbath, and portfolio values are plummeting fast. No one is safe from this crash. Advisors are screaming to hoard cash and hedge now. Panic is hitting the streets. Investors are dumping everything, desperate to get out before the next massive crash wipes them out completely. Time is running out. Suddenly, the big banks panic. They dump millions of shares in seconds. The market snaps back and stock prices plunge off a cliff. There is no safety net now. Then the screens froze. Panic set in as investors watched helplessly. Margin calls triggered automatically, wiping out entire life savings in seconds. Portfolios vanished into thin air. There was absolutely nothing they could do. Breaking news: the market is in freefall. Wall Street just halted trading, but the panic is already spreading globally. Tokyo and London are crashing. We are watching a financial meltdown happen in real time. Script right, word count 33. Text: suddenly the iron gates slam shut. Panic hits Main Street like a tidal wave. Crowds swarm empty ATMs, staring at blank screens in disbelief. The cash is gone and fear is taking over. Government just declared an emergency freeze, every account locked. Outside, the crowd is losing control, clashing with police at the barricades. People want their money, but the doors stay shut. How far will this go? Look at these empty shelves. Absolutely nothing left. Desperate people are fighting in the aisles over the last scraps of food. The supply chain is dead, and survival mode just kicked in. It is chaos. Martial law is active. The government locked down the city, and armed soldiers now patrol these empty, silent streets. They say it's to stop the looting, but it feels like we're prisoners in our own homes. When the grid collapsed, darkness took the city. In these shadow-filled alleys, paper money means nothing. Now, desperate citizens trade gold jewelry for basic food. This is what survival looks like when the lights go out. Cash is dead. Now, sweat buys bread. Survivors build networks, trading muscle for meals. In this new world, you work or you starve. Every hour of labor keeps hunger at bay for one more day. From the ashes, life fights back. Look around. People are building markets where ruins stood, planting seeds in scarred earth. They refuse to let the collapse win. But is this survival or just a temporary pause? Look at those crumbling banks. The old world is gone, and we stand at the crossroads of a new beginning. Will we finally learn from our past mistakes, or will greed drag us right back down?